Good day, sir, madam. I'm Joanne L. Sarmiento, single. I'm a high school graduate.
Good day to you, Miss Joanne. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the right attitude of a good domestic helper is humble, loyal, and responsible to all her responsibility.
Okay, so since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, I will just focus on my work
So can you tell us how to take care of children?
Sir, madam, I will take good care of children by giving food in time, playing with them, and treat them as one of my niece.
So what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, madam, sorry if I commit mistake. I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, if you will hire me, I'll promise to do all my responsibility and to finish my contract with you.
Thank you, Miss Joanne, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.